my babies, what's going on? If you are new, make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. And if you are returning, I don't want to hear it. Just know that I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back for good. So many things has gone on. So many things has changed in my life. If you have not noticed, the girls is 120 pounds down. I am smiling more. I'm glowing more. I'm in a different space. I'm in a different headspace, period. And I'm grateful for it. I'm grateful for everything that I've been through. I'm grateful for all my trials and tribulations. Every time I've wanted to get going and be consistent with YouTube, it's always something that comes up, or I allow it to come up, or I allow it to block my blessings, or I allow these things to just pull me in directions that I don't need to be pulled in. And you'll see in this video how all over the place that I am. That's just how I rock. That's who I am. It's how I function. But this comeback is so personal. And this comeback is so meaningful that we not coming to play. We're just not coming to play on no level. We're not coming to play. I'm not coming to play. I have so many things in store that I cannot wait for you guys to be able to see and be a part of. So make sure you stay tuned into the rest of the video of me installing this beautiful Jerry curl wig from my hairline. Make sure that you stay watching the video so that you can find out what the hell is going on with me. But I am going to tell you just a little bit before we dive into the video. I did get weight loss surgery in 2021, October. So this October, at the end of the month, will make my 1-year mark. I am currently at this moment 120 pounds down, period. I am 120 pounds down. I did have a dual abdominal switch surgery. If you want to know more about that, let me know in the comments and I will let you guys know. But outside of that, I also left the salon. I still have my salon, but I left the salon and I went to trucking school and I started trucking. And I didn't go over the road, but I was in the truck and I was home on an everyday basis. And it was a good experience and it was good, but I had to come back to my roots, and I feel like I was falling out of love with my passion and what my vision was from the beginning because of what was around me and the things that there were things that were going on around me and in the same industry that I'm in that I just no longer wanted to be a part of. So I was trying to separate myself from that, and I just can't. Like, it keeps pulling me back. I'm happy it's pulling me back. So I am back. Welcome. I am rebranding, and I do want to tell you guys that my rebrand is something so personal. It's the most personal brand that I have ever created. My other brands were kind of gone off of my target audience at that time, right? And when we start talking about target audience, baby, I can go deep and go somewhere else. So we ain't gonna go all there today. But, you know, like, my target audience is different. They're not different people. They're just doing different things, right? And so, you know, I didn't have a team. I was doing everything on my own. I wasn't organized. I just knew that I had the talent, and I thought the talent was just gonna, you know, carry me on the wave. And what it did was it made my wave crash, because not in a way where it took me out, but in a way where it became so overwhelming. I'm like, I need new scenery. I need to do something different. But I'm back now. And my new brand is going to be It Girl Studio and It Girl Hair. And the thing about being an it girl is you can do anything you want in life and be an it girl. You know what I'm saying? You could be a nurse. You could be a doctor. You could be a truck driver. The women are taking over in the truck driving field, okay? We are here. Hairstylists. You name it. Government officials are it girls. You know what I'm saying? So it's no longer like, oh, you have to meet these society standards, you know, to make it here or to get there. No, you can literally be yourself. You can be yourself 100% and get exactly to where you want to go. So the Ego brand has a lot behind it, and I don't want to give you guys too much in one video. So make sure that you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. If you're returning, welcome again. I am back, and I am back for good. Let's get into this install. And so I've already made my little markings, but I did want to let y'all know that I don't do the ball cap method like that anymore. I do still do it on my clients, but on me, it's just, I change my hair a lot, and the ball cap method really pulls on my edges a lot. And these areas that I have right here, depending on what type of wig it is a fly in here that I cannot kill. I've been trying to kill it all day. We're just gonna clean the hairline off a little bit. Ooh, am I hungry? So I do sell my own lace glue as well. I have not wrapped the labels around my package, my last package. So again, bear with me. One thing y'all gonna notice about me is I am all over the place, but we're gonna get things done. That's just what that is, period. So we're gonna get things done. All right, y'all, so we're going in with our first layer. And I was starting to explain to you guys, oopsies. I was starting to explain to you guys that my areas in the front of my hairline that come out close to my eyebrows, they're very thin. They don't grow that much. So instead of me putting lace all the way over that, I would just rather go through the middle of it. And I feel like it just gives me a more natural look. I don't mind mixing my baby hairs in with the lace. It's not that much. So we're going to go in with the layer, and we're going to go in with it very, very thin. Technique is everything, guys. So make sure that you are not globbing a whole bunch of glue all at one time. Take your time, and it will lay beautifully. All right, y'all, so I'm going to wait until my first layer dries, and I'm going to add 2 more layers, and then we're going to go ahead and secure the wig down.
Yeah, like I'm willing to kill him with my bare hands at this point.
Okay, y'all, so we got her on. So if you have a low hairline, you could do this method where you're pretty much leaving these out, or you know, if you want to cover those up, you can. I just rather the lace not be right here, but it is preference. This is what I have my foundation on, so I will sometimes just go in and kind of touch it up. Not too much though. Just touch it up a little bit. And she is on, honey. Like, I don't really even need baby hairs if I don't want them, but I do want some baby hairs. I have been I told y'all. All right, so we rocking like this. We not letting it stop us. Baby, when I tell y'all, if it can happen, it's gonna happen to me, for sure. I'm telling y'all, with all this new content that's coming out, like, not only am I able to see me in a different light, like, when it comes to being on camera, but, like, I really live a chaotic life. My beauty room is a mess. I've been trying to figure out, because when the ring lights, the vanity lights first like came out and they were popping, I had one custom made, and I haven't turned it, like either one of the fuses blew, not the fuses, but one of the light fixtures blew on it. I have a plug on it and the plug works, but the light switch won't turn on. So I really don't know if it's the light switch or what. And knowing me, I'll go through the works of figuring out what it is. And that could take me, I don't know how long. So like, and then I'm trying to figure out like how I want my desk to sit. Do I want it facing outward? Do I want it facing inward? Like, it's just all over the place. So my background is pretty bare. Bear with me, okay? We getting it together. We are really getting it together. Okay, y'all. We are getting it together, little by little. And I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm also gonna start doing weekly vlogs because I am gonna be moving into a new salon soon. Remodeling. Well, not remodeling, but kind of like starting on a clean canvas. We love clean canvases over here, baby. It's a clean canvas world over here, baby. We love a clean canvas, honey. So I'm gonna take y'all along the journey on that as well. This middle part is not agreeing with me today. Since. Yes, ma'am. She's giving. I love soft baby hairs. You guys are barely gonna see me use anything gel-like, and it's no shade to anybody who does like to use it, but I'm not real big on like gel-like product. Get it on the brush and brush away. So this is her in a dry state. This is my Jerry curl, and she is brushed out. I washed her maybe like a couple days ago, so she is clean. But I sleep bad on her, so I'm gonna make sure that I keep her wrapped up. And I'm gonna go wear her for you guys just so you can see it wet, so I'll be right back. So this is her in her wet stage, and this is her in her dry, bushed out, brushed out stage. So I'm gonna go and finish wetting her down, and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is the finishing product. Baby hair is secure. Baby hair is popping, you know? So this is my Jerry curl. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my rambling, because that's all the hell I did. But please be on the lookout for more videos, more content, more techniques. I'm going to be showing a lot of my day-to-day in the salon, moving into a new salon, and just really the back end that a lot of stylists and a lot of salon owners do not show you. I'm going to be showing y'all. I also wanted to tell you guys that my email list for my launch of my new brand, It Girl Hair, is going to be available soon. So make sure that you are following me on all social media, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss nothing. Period. See y'all later.